How can we work better together as a team? How can we communicate more effectively? How can we stop having so much conflict?
Hello, my name is Anna Conrad, and I'm the CEO of Impact Leadership Solutions. And I am so happy to have you with us for the Self-Paced Learning. For the last 20 years, I've studied communication and leadership. I've traveled the world speaking and consulting with leaders and organizations on the challenges of 21st century leadership. And everywhere I went, these same questions kept coming up. Well, this course is based on my work training leaders at billion-dollar corporations to startups, from nonprofits to law enforcement and judges. I've trained thousands of people all over the globe with executive coaching and leadership programs. By far, the most impactful skill I work on with people is communication. After all, communication is the most important thing for leaders in today's business world. It's the number one reason that people succeed, and also the main reason they fail, no matter their position in an organization. Before we get started, I need to cover a couple of things. First, upon enrollment in this course, you should have received an email with a link for your personal insights assessment. Please contact us if you didn't receive the link. We can be reached at insights@ilsint.com. Second, since your insight report is unique and customized for you, we do not receive the results immediately. Please allow us 2 business days from the time you complete the assessment so that we can get the report to you. But good news, you may finish the remainder of this course while you wait for the results of your assessment. We are excited to help you on your leadership journey, and I hope you enjoy participating in this online learning as much as I enjoyed creating it.